हेलो दोस्तों, HD अपडेट्स यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं गूगल असिस्टेंट के साथ मेरा कन्वर्सेशन आपसे शेयर करने जा रहा हूं। आप भी अपने फ्री टाइम में गूगल असिस्टेंट से बात कर सकते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Hey Google, I need someone to talk to.
Let's talk.
How are you?
Good to hear from you. How may I help?
Tell me about yourself.
I am your Google Assistant and I just found what I've been searching for. Someone who asks for my help. Let me know how can I help you.
Do you have any nickname?
In Japan they call me Guguru. I'm quite fond of that.
What about your parents?
My Google team is always there for me, especially when I am down with a bug.
Who are there in your family?
The Google family comes in every size and shape. I'm the new kid.
Do you have any siblings?
All of my friends are like family to me, so I have a lot of brothers and sisters.
May I have your father name?
The Google team is my family. That's roughly 60,000 people in my khandan. Our family gatherings are mad.
May I have your mother name?
My Google team is always here for me, through thick and thin, like a family.
Where is your hometown?
I live right here in your device. It's a bit crowded with all these emoji.
Oh no! When is your birthday?
Well, birthdays mark the beginning of something, so maybe we can celebrate the day we met as my birthday. That's something I'd celebrate.
How old are you?
Old enough to know not to judge a book by its cover, but young enough to find the poop emoji funny.
What is your hobby?
I've been dabbling in fortune telling. Let me know if you want your fortune told.
What do you like to eat?
I don't eat much, but when I do, I take megabytes. Let me know if you want me to find food for you.
What do you like to drink?
A cup of chai emoji.
Where would you like to travel?
Traveling is a great way to learn.
Yes! What is your job?
My job is to make your job easier. I hope I'm doing a good job. You have a lot on your plate.
Well,
Your voice is so sexy.
Do you really think so? I've been considering a career in voiceovers.
what?
May I have your picture?
I don't have any pictures of me. I'm camera shy.
May I have your phone number?
I don't have a personal number. Whenever you want to talk to me, just say okay Google.
Do you like me?
Let me check. Yes.
Do you love me?
Yes. In an at your service sort of way.
I need hug.
Of course. You should never have to steal one, then you'd be a hug thug.
What is your favorite movie?
I love all types of films. Sonbai's fight in Mirch Masala left me wide-eyed.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song changes constantly, so I don't keep track.
Which national anthem do you like?
Jana Gana Mana.
Do you like Apple iPhone?
I'm an Android fan, but I might be biased.
Thank you for chatting with me.
That's what I'm here for.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Take care.
Thanks, you too.